If you're seeing the SketchUp error extracting setup.xml, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get SketchUp installed or uninstalled without the setup file error getting in the way. This issue usually happens because the installer is corrupted, Windows does not have enough permission to extract the files, or security software is blocking the process. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Now let's go ahead and jump right in. First, try running the SketchUp installer as administrator. Find the SketchUp.exe file, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Windows elevated permissions, which can help the installer properly extract setup.xml and the rest of the required files. If the error still appears after that, the next step is to re-download the installer directly from the official SketchUp website. Sometimes the file you downloaded is incomplete or corrupted, and that alone can trigger this setup.xml extraction error. So delete the old installer, go back to the official source, and download a fresh copy before trying again. Next, clear out your temporary files. On Windows, press Windows key +R, type %temp%, and press Enter. This opens the temporary files folder where old installer data and conflicting leftover files can sometimes cause problems. Select everything in that folder and delete what you can. If a file is in use, just skip it and continue. After that, if you're upgrading SketchUp, make sure to uninstall any previous version first. Open the Windows Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, find SketchUp, and uninstall the older version before installing the new one. This is especially important because leftover files from an older installation can interfere with the new setup process and trigger extraction errors. Another important step is to temporarily disable your security software. Antivirus or endpoint protection can sometimes block installers from extracting files, even when the file is safe. Pause your antivirus briefly, then try the SketchUp installer again. Just remember to turn your protection back on after you finish testing. If the issue still isn't fixed, repair the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable packages. SketchUp depends on these Windows components, and if they're damaged or missing, installation errors can happen. Open Control Panel, go to Programs, find the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables, and choose Repair for any available versions. Once that's done, restart your computer and run the installer one more time. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the setup.xml extraction problem completely. And if you had to try a few of them, that's totally normal, because this error can come from more than one cause at the same time. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.